Next, the seventh subdivision, first equation 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y is equal to 4. Then the second equation 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Let me name the given equations as number 1 and 2. See here, in both the equations we are having 1 by x plus y, then 1 by x minus y forms. So, we are going to substitute, let 1 by x plus y is equal to a and 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Substituting these assumptions in both the equations, we will be getting the equation 1 to be, first write the equation 1 like 10 into 1 by x plus y plus 2 into 1 by x minus y is equal to 4. Now substitute, it is 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Equation number 3. Now, on assuming these values to second equation, it will become, first write in the form 15 into 1 by x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now substitute 15 into a minus 5 into b is equal to minus 2. Name this equation as number 4. Now look at the equations 3 and 4. By elimination method, I am going to multiply equation 3 by 5, multiplying equation 3 by 5 on both the sides. It will become 5 into 10a plus 2b is equal to 5 into 4. So, which gives 50a plus 10b is equal to 20. Name it as number 5. Then I am going to multiply the equation 4 by 2, that is 2 into 15a minus 5b is equal to 2 into minus 2. So, which gives 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Equation number 6. Now, I am going to add the equation number 5 and 6, because here it is plus 10b, here it is minus 10b. If we add these two equations, the b term will be cancelled. Okay. So, adding equation number 5 and equation number 6, we will be getting 50a plus 10b is equal to 20, then 30a minus 10b is equal to minus 4. Now, see here, on adding 50a plus 30a, it is 80a plus 10b minus 10b will be cancelled, then 20 minus 4 gives 16. So, 80a is equal to 16, a is equal to 16 divided by 80. 16 into 10 is 160, half of 160 is 80. So, when 16 is multiplied by 5, we will get 80. So, it is 1 by 5, value of a is 1 by 5. Now, substituting a is equal to 1 by 5 in equation number 3. So, we will be getting 10a, that is 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b is equal to 4. Can cancel this. So it is 2 into 1, 2 plus 2b is equal to 4. 2b is equal to 4. When I take this 2 to right side becomes minus 2. So 2b is equal to 2, which gives the value of b to be 1. Thus we have obtained the values of a is equal to 1 by 5, b is equal to 1. Now we are having the assumptions 1 by x plus y is equal to a, then 1 by x minus y is equal to b. Substitute the values of a and b in this condition. 1 by x plus y is equal to a value 1 by 5. On just cross multiplying, x plus y into 1, that is x plus y is equal to 5 into 1. So x plus y is equal to 5. Mark this equation as number 7. Then in this condition 1 by x minus y is equal to b value 1. So on just cross multiplying, x minus y is equal to 1. Mark this equation as number 8. Then again we are going to solve these two equations for obtaining the values of x. So if we just add the equations 7 and 8, the variable y will be eliminated. So I am going to add 7 and 8. So x plus y plus x minus y is equal to, then RHS 5 plus 1. I am adding LHS, that is x plus y plus x minus y, then RHS 5 plus 1. So this y and this y getting cancelled, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Now substituting x is equal to 3 in equation number 8 will become 3 minus y is equal to 1. When I take this y to other side becomes plus y, then take this 1 to other side minus 1. So y is equal to 3 minus 1 gives 2. Thus the solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Clear? Now let us see the last subdivision, that is 8th subdivision in question number 1. It is first equation 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equal to 3 by 4. Name it as equation number 1. Then 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 by 8. Mark this equation as number 2. Now see the equations carefully. We are having 1 by 3x plus y and 1 by 3x minus y on both the equations. Okay. So I am going to substitute, let 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a, then 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. On substituting these assumptions in equations 1 and 2, equation 1 will become 1 by 3x plus y, that is a, plus 1 by 3x minus y, that is b, is equal to 3 by 4. When I take this 4 to LHS, it is multiplied with the term a plus b. So it is 4 into a plus b is equal to 3, which gives 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Thus we have reduced the first equation. Mark it as number 3. Next we are going to substitute these assumptions, that is 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b in second condition. Then equation 2 becomes, see here it is 1 by 3x plus y, we can substitute it to be a. So it is a by 2. Likewise it can be represented as b by 2. is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now the LCM of these two terms will be 4, or otherwise just cross multiply a into 2, that is 2a, then minus 2b divided by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 8. Now this can be cancelled, it is 1 time, it is 2 times. So just cross multiply again, 2 into 2a minus 2b is equal to 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. Now see here, 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. Mark this equation as number 4. Now look at the equation number 3 and 4. We are going to add the equations 3 and 4. If we add, it is plus 4b, it is minus 4b. So b will be cancelled. For that I am going to add the equation number 3 and 4. We will be getting 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. Here 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. On adding 4a plus 4a, it is 8a, then plus 4b minus 4b, it will be cancelled, then 3 minus 1 gives 2. So 8a is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 by 8, which gives 1 by 4. The value of a is 1 by 4. Now substituting a is equal to 1 by 4 in equation number 3. 4 into a, that is 1 by 4, plus 4b is equal to 3. This 4 and this 4 getting cancelled, so it is 1. So 1 plus 4b is equal to 3, 4b is equal to 3. When I take this 1 to right side, it becomes minus 1. So 4b is equal to 2, b is equal to 2 by 4, which can be reduced to 1 by 2, that is b value is 1 by 2. Okay, so a is 1 by 4, b is 1 by 2, but we have the assumptions 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a. Now we are going to substitute in that assumption, 1 by 3x plus y is equal to a, that is 1 by 4. Now just cross multiply 3x plus y into 1 is equal to 4 into 1. So we are getting equation like this. Mark this as equation number 5. Then we have the another assumption, 1 by 3x minus y is equal to b. So the b value here is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. Just cross multiply 3x minus y into 1 is equal to 2 into 1. Thus we have obtained another two equations. On solving these two equations, we will be getting the values of x and y. For that I am going to add the equation 5 and 6. So if we add, we can eliminate the y term, it is plus y, it is minus y. So I am going to just add equation number 5 and 6. First adding the LHS, 3x plus y plus 3x minus y. Then the RHS, 4 plus 2 plus y minus y, 3x plus 3x, 6x, 4 plus 2, 6. So 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. Now substituting x is equal to 1 in equation number 5, we will be getting 3 into 1 plus y is equal to 4. So 3 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 4. When I take this 3 to right side, it becomes minus 3. So y is equal to 4 minus 3 gives 1. Thus the solution is x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Clear?